Liam and Neil. There's more. And now Jollibee has 1, 2, 3 wishes. So Jollibee 3 wishes to offer to Liam and Neil. And now Jollibee, are you ready for your first wish, Jollibee? Yes. And now Jollibee's first wish to offer to Liam and for Leo that they will grow, 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 grow strong, healthy. Jollibee. Third one. Smart kid. Handsome. Pretty. Like mommy and asa man ang daddy? Asa man si daddy choose Jollibee? Asa man Jollibee? Asa man si daddy choose Jollibee? Dili Jollibee. Asa man Jollibee? Oh. Asa man Jollibee? Oh, of course. Jollibee first wish that they will grow strong, healthy, smart, sexy, pretty, and handsome like mommy and daddy. Alright, and now Jollibee, are you ready for your second wish? Yes. And now Jollibee's second wish to offer to Liam and for Leo that they will grow barefoot and get berries. Yes, always a crazy Liam and live together with mommy and daddy. Ikaw, Jollibee. Big break ka, Jollibee? Big break ka, Jollibee? Saan mo ba-break, Jollibee, babe? Pawaros daw, Jollibee. Ano mo rin, Jollibee? Hello, Jollibee. Are you ready for your third wish, Jollibee? Yes, and now, Jollibee's third wish to offer to Liam and for Neil that they will that forever that always be happy and jolly like Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much, Jollibee, for that amazing wishes. And now, Jollibee, do you have another gift, Jollibee, for everyone? Ano, Jollibee? Ito na, Jollibee. Kapag na, Jollibee. Ano I give, Jollibee? There's more. And now, what do you think Jollibee will go into this? Sing or dance?
Sing!
Sing ka, Jollibee? Musing ka, Jollibee? Jollibee, musing ka, Jollibee? Sing daw, Jollibee. Ano man, Jollibee? Pati mo, Jollibee? Igutom ka, Jollibee? Gusto mo na, Jollibee? Mami naman ka, Jollibee, ay. Igutom ka, Jollibee?
Ikaw lagi,
Gusto mo na, Jollibee?